guys, welcome back to Modern Gills. Join me as I take on the challenge to achieve flawless skin using my favorite hacks for oily skin. Having oily skin can be tough, but with the right tricks, you can keep your skin looking great all day long. Oily skin comes with its own set of challenges, like excess shine that seems to appear out of nowhere, acne that just won't quit, and makeup that refuses to stay put. This can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to take a great selfie or just feel confident in your own skin. Dealing with oily skin can be a daily struggle, and it's easy to feel like you're fighting a losing battle. People with oily skin often find themselves constantly blotting their face to get rid of excess oil, or worse, breaking out in acne. This can be painful and embarrassing, and it's not uncommon for oily skin to make you feel self-conscious about your appearance. Makeup can be especially tricky on oily skin, as it tends to slip and slide around, making it hard to achieve a smooth, flawless look. Finding effective hacks for oily skin is crucial if you want to achieve that flawless look. Whether it's using the right products, following a consistent skincare routine, or making a few simple lifestyle changes, there are lots of ways to manage oily skin and keep it under control. By making a few simple adjustments to your daily routine, you can keep your skin looking fresh and healthy all day long. To manage oily skin, try using a gentle cleanser that's formulated for your skin type, and be sure to exfoliate regularly to keep your pores clear. You can also use a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without clogging your pores. Look for products that are labeled oil-free or non-comedogenic, as these are designed to work well with oily skin. Using the right products is just the beginning. You also need to follow a consistent skincare routine to keep your skin looking its best. This might include washing your face twice a day, using a toner to balance your skin's pH, and applying a spot treatment to any areas that are prone to breakouts. By following a simple routine, you can keep your skin healthy and balanced. One of the most transformative hacks for oily skin is to use a clay-based mask once or twice a week. These masks can help to draw out excess oil and impurities, leaving your skin looking smooth and refreshed. You can also try using a setting spray to keep your makeup in place all day long, or a primer to create a smooth canvas for your makeup. Using a clay-based mask has been a total game changer for my skin, and I've noticed a huge difference since I started incorporating it into my routine. My skin looks smoother, my pores appear smaller, and I've even noticed a reduction in acne. It's amazing how such a simple hack can make such a big difference. The key to achieving flawless skin is to find the right combination of products and routines that work for you. By experimenting with different hacks and finding what works best for your skin, you can keep your skin looking healthy and balanced. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it might take some trial and error to find the right combination. To recap, the key hacks for achieving flawless skin with oily skin are to use the right products, follow a consistent skincare routine, and make a few simple lifestyle changes. By following these tips, you can keep your skin looking fresh and healthy all day long. If you've got your own favorite hacks for oily skin, be sure to share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about them. And if you're looking for more skincare tips and routines, be sure to check out my other videos for more information and advice.